Need Oracle Fusion data in Excel, Power BI, or another system on a schedule? Do you really need to build a full integration every time? Probably not. In many cases, all you need is a simple SQL query and a scheduler to run it automatically. That's exactly what CloudSQL does. With CloudSQL Desktop, you can fully automate your report exports using the built-in SQL Export Scheduler. Everything starts with a SQL query, just as it always has in CloudSQL. Write your SQL, test it, refine it, and run it until you're happy with the results. Once your query is ready, simply choose where you want to export the data. CSV, Excel, Oracle Autonomous Database. Let's see how the Excel option works. Choose the report name and the folder where it should be saved. Now, instead of exporting the report manually every day, simply click Schedule to automate it. The Schedule wizard guides you through everything. Review your Oracle Fusion connection, your SQL query, the export format, and the destination. Next, choose when the report should run. You can schedule it hourly, daily, weekly, or even minutely. That's it. CloudSQL runs the query automatically in the background and generates your Excel report. No manual work required. You can manage all your scheduled jobs from one dashboard, enable or disable schedules, edit them, view their status, or run them instantly whenever you need. Every report is automatically saved to the folder you configured. That means your Excel reports, Power BI dashboards, or shared data feeds are always up to date. Whether you're building reports, feeding dashboards, or sharing data with other systems, CloudSQL Desktop makes Oracle Fusion data automation simple, reliable, and fast. Thanks for watching. Download now, and you will have your integration ready in 10 minutes.